That's Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Hi, Brox. Are you inside the trampoline? Whoa.
Brox died really.
Oh, are you gonna open the dinosaur?
Yeah.
What's this dinosaur now? Whoa. So this is DinoWorld?
DinoWorld.
DinoWorld dinosaur. Is this a T-Rex?
Yes, it is.
Hmm?
It's a T-Rex.
Is this a T-Rex dinosaur?
Yes.
Cool. Okay, so we're gonna unbox this in the trampoline. Ready? Steady? Okay. So what's this, Brox? So DinoWorld light and sound radio controlled dinosaur.
Look, light and sound. And you see his eye?
Oh yeah.
It's light and
Cool. Again? Do it again. Oh wow.
That's the egg.
Open it.
Yay!
Okay. So Ate Taya will help us unbox it.
That's a big T-Rex.
Yeah,
Look,
so
I
that's
can
light and
see a
sound
big
radio
T-Rex.
controlled. Dino.
Yeah, he's a dinosaur.
What kind of dinosaur?
T-Rex.
A T-Rex, an orange T-Rex.
Yeah.
It looks like Boris, isn't it?
No.
Yeah?
That's blue and yellow and orange.
Yeah, cool.
He's a blue stripe.
Blue stripes and orangey
And yellow.
and yellow.
Yeah, that's
So we're inside the trampoline. Brox's trampoline.
is that the dog?
Yeah, the dog is barking. That's the neighbor
is
dog.
his name Barky?
Barky. We unscrew there. Oh, there's not really a screw on it, just the string. There you go. Oh. It's stuck. Now again. Wow, that's huge. That's huge, isn't it? So where do we need to put the battery?
The wheels.
Huh? Yeah, because maybe it walks. Now where do we need to put battery? Can you check at the back of it? Whoa! Again. Okay. Now, so Ate Taya just getting a battery. So he's out in the box now. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Again. Do it again. Ready, steady, go. Ooh, slide.
That's the tire.
Yeah, so this is the manual over here. How many battery do we need?
6 batteries.
6 battery.
And a remote control.
Okay, so remote control, we need battery. Okay, so we open it. Wow, look at his eyes, baby. That's so cool.
This is Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Yeah. What are you doing with it? Okay guys, so we're putting battery and then we're gonna do playtime, okay?